Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you set up PIN on Vanilla Visa gift card. In order to set up a PIN on Vanilla Visa gift card, you generally register the card online or by phone using a card number and security code. Choose a 4-digit PIN during a registration process. If you haven't already visited the official Vanilla Visa gift card website, or call the customer service number on the back of a card to register it. And during the registration or when prompted at first, you'll be able to choose a 4-digit PIN. If you need to reset or change your PIN, you can typically do so online or by phone through the card's custom service as well. And after setting or resetting it, a good idea to test the PIN with a small purchase to ensure prompted for a PIN at a checkout. You wanna go ahead and enter the 4-digit PIN you selected or reset. So this way you'll be able to set up a PIN on Vanilla Visa gift card. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.